Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your transaction history on the Phantom Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Phantom Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, you may proceed forward with using your social accounts or through your private key or seed phrase. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, after you have logged in, if you wish to see all of your transaction history that you have made so far, you can just tap on the clock icon at the bottom section, just alongside the web browser icon. Once you tap on this will show you your recent activity. Now, while there is no activity within my current account, every trade that you will make, including all of the cryptocurrency that you send or receive, as well as tokens, will be displayed within this page. If any of these items have been hidden, you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner and you can tap on View Hidden Items in order to reveal all of them as well. And by checking all of your recent activity, you will be able to keep track of all of your transactions. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your transaction history on the Phantom Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.